Imagine buying a printer for just $60, but the tiny cartridge inside it costs almost the same as the printer itself. Now imagine replacing that cartridge again, and again, and again. Before you realize it, the ink you bought for your printer has cost more than the printer itself. In fact, when researchers compared prices, some printer inks were estimated to cost thousands of dollars per gallon. That means, drop for drop, printer ink can be more expensive than luxury perfume. But here's the strange part. Printer companies don't actually make most of their money from printers. The real money comes from the tiny cartridges you keep replacing. To understand why this happens, we need to look at the business strategy used by printer companies such as HP, Canon, and Epson. These companies use a powerful pricing strategy known as the razor and blades model. The idea is simple: sell the main product cheaply, right away, and make long-term profit from the refills. It's the same strategy used in many industries. Coffee machines are cheap, but coffee pods are expensive. Gaming consoles are affordable, but games generate the real profit. Printers follow the same model. So why does something so small cost so much? Is the ink really that expensive to make, or is there a deeper business strategy behind it? Major printer companies sell millions of printers every year, but printers themselves are not where the real money is made. The real profits come from the cartridges. Printer companies follow a clever strategy used in many industries: sell the main device cheaply, then make long-term profits from refills. Printer ink might look like simple colored liquid, but inside the cartridge is a carefully engineered chemical formula. Each drop must perform perfectly. Inside ink factories, chemists create extremely precise formulas. The liquid is filtered again and again. Even microscopic particles must be removed. Modern printers use thousands of microscopic nozzles. Each nozzle is thinner than a human hair. The ink must flow perfectly through them. But chemistry is only part of the story. Many cartridges contain tiny computer chips. These chips communicate with the printer. Printers often recognize only specific cartridges. If the chip is missing, the printer may refuse to print. This keeps the ink ecosystem controlled. All of this creates a massive global industry. Billions of dollars are spent on ink every year, and most of it comes from refills. Eventually, consumers began noticing something strange. The ink sometimes cost more than the printer. That realization changed the market. Some companies introduced refillable ink systems. These systems dramatically reduce printing costs, but cartridges are still widely used. So is printer ink really worth its price? Part of the cost comes from technology, but a big part comes from business strategy. Printer ink isn't just a product, it's a powerful example of modern business economics, and once you see the strategy behind it, you'll never look at your printer the same way again.